Hi, in this video I'll be unboxing the Panasonic ES-LV65S Arc 5 electric razor. This is a razor that can be used in wet environments, so if you like to shave in the shower, it'll be no problem. The blades sit on a pivoting head so the razor is supposed to glide easily across your skin, and they're made of a hypoallergenic stainless steel which can help reduce irritation even on sensitive skin. There's also a sensor to monitor beard thickness, so it'll adjust the power to make sure you'll get a smooth cut. The razor is powered by a high-performance lithium-ion battery that can charge in about an hour, and it gives up to 45 minutes of cordless operation. This isn't considered a consumer replaceable battery unit, so it's probably not recommended to open up the unit to service the battery. So let's open up the box to see what's inside. You've got the user guide and other paperwork. Here's the AC charger that supports automatic universal voltage, which is good from 100 to 240 volts. And there's a travel case included. So let's unzip this and look at the shaver. It's got the plastic clear head protector, and it's a standard black color on the plastic body with the silver metal heads. So the charging port is at the end of the unit, and this unit is not one of those with a charging dock or cleaning station, but I read some complaints about them, but your experience might be different. This razor has the number 6 in the model number, as I mentioned earlier, because this is the ES-LV65-S. Now, the one with the 6 in the model number means it comes without the cleaning station, docking station, and the one that has a 9 means it comes with it. So you can't use it while it's charging, so let's plug it in and let it charge. Now the LED screen is about 3/4 by 1 inch or 4.5 by 2 centimeters, and it shows if it's charging with this big blue blinking light. So back with the razor now, you've probably noticed it has a side-to-side as well as back and forth motion. So that's probably why it's called a multi-flex pivoting head. There are 5 blades with the 2 outer blades cutting shorter hairs. There's these 2 inner blades cutting longer hairs, and the center blade cutting even longer hairs. There's a trim on the back so it pops up so you can detail your sideburns or pre-shave. And here's a switch to lock the pivoting head so it won't move as much if you're doing some detailing work. To remove the foil, you just push these 2 ends in and lift up. It's pretty much a snap to put back, and you can just put it back just like this. Now the LED also shows you the shave time, the battery life, and it shows if the shave sensor is active. I read that some really don't notice if the shave sensor technology is working, so your experience might differ. It's active by default with this icon in the middle showing, but you can press the power button twice to toggle it. The LED also lets you know about the foil blade replacement. It has cleaning reminders, and it shows if the travel lock is on. Speaking of the travel lock feature, you can switch that so it doesn't let you power on the unit by mistake. This is good when traveling when it's in the bag being banged around. Now this razor can be used with soap or shaving cream, but I'm not too sure about oils. It didn't seem to be recommended based on some forum member comments. So the razor is made in Japan, and the AC adapter is made in China. There's a 2-year limited warranty in the US, but in other countries this might be different. I've already tried this razor, and it is a bit loud, but it's a real close and smooth shave, so I hope to keep this for a long time. Thanks for watching.